Battery Repair Operation Guide. Modes 6 to 9 are repair modes, and can be selected as required. Recommended 9 Automatic Repair Mode. It first repair charging, then repair discharge, and then repair charging. You can determine whether the battery can continue to be used by the repaired battery capacity. Operation steps. Remove the battery cover and add 5-10 ml pure water. The first step, mode selection. Tap the mode select key to set the mode to 9. The second step, discharge current setting. Tap the discharge current setting button. 20 Ah battery, set the discharge current to 10 Ah. Other capacity battery, discharge current size refer to the machine manual. The third step, tap the start button. Once started, the machine does this automatically without human intervention. Tap the display switch button to view the discharge time and discharge capacity.